And this
Hello
is
各
the
位大家
last
好啊，
hand of
歡
Squid.
迎再翻到嚟我
ST
哋
does
大
not
魚堂
have a
解説啊！
squid, neither does Brent.
一齊嚟回顧翻呢一場
ST picks up
KBC 嘅
eights
比
though.
賽，入邊主要
Pretty
係
good.
有 Tom the One 呢啲知名嘅高手嘅，仲有一眾嘅中國選手啦。而家鏡頭睇緊嘅呢個係 ST 王啊，Aaron 爭撞輸路啊！
20,000.
係呢個
Aaron
Tom the
also
One，Tom
knows
the
squid.
One 真係
Involved.
年紀大
5-4
咗，
suited.
都睇個面相都比較憔悴啊。旁邊嘅 Victor 啊，Victor 亦都係非常之有名嘅選手啦，人形 GTO 係咪？Elton 曾啊，黃葉啊，
Wang
仲有胡鬚佬 Brian 嘅。咁睇翻呢手牌
I
啦，
know he wants to get in there. He's just trying
嗰
to
個一
think,
對
should I
八嘅
3
ST
bet
王
these
咧，
boys
首
or
先
not?
係 raise 到咗2萬嘅，咁做咗一個隔離嘅加注啦。咁 call 住嘅有5-4同花嘅 Aaron 啦，黃葉
There
嘅
it
J9
is.
同花，掟出嚟籌碼好似都跟住咗喎，
Plaque and
加
some
注呢係一個
change.
係啊，做咗一個 3
110.
bet 嘅。呢個3 bet 咧就令到 ST 王好猶豫啦。呢係咪幾大嘅牌咧？係咪幾靚嘅牌咧？需要去到11萬嘅 3 bet 加注嘅，咁呢手牌佢就開始猶豫啦。點辦咧？係咪？雖然攞到1對8，但係呢對8咧
I wouldn't be
面對
surprised
住一
to
個
see a rip.
咁大嘅加注，
There it is.
好，
I like
跟住
this.
all in
Last hand of the squid. You don't have one.
唔
Pocket
信
eights
邪
looks
嘅，
to
我
be
唔信
way
邪嘅。
good.
好，黃
Take
葉
it down.
黃葉跟住咩？黃葉fold 咗啦，fold 咗啦，跟唔住嘅，你嚇下你啫嘛，係咪？揸住一個 J9嘅同花，有啲順面
All
咧，
right, let's
順
take
面
a
都唔
look at
係
the
好順啦，
leaderboard.
係咪？
Wang Ye. Wow, what a
喂，睇下呢
round.
個
Up
排名啊，黃葉係
884.
水上最多嘅
Sitting
喎。
over 1 million, 63% VPIP.
好 ST 王
Another
又
round of
係
squid
A7
begins.
A7，應該係撩入去睇下牌嘅啫。係 call 住400，又去睇下牌。K4 同花 Aaron 爭嘅有張 K 嘅話，K high 嘅牌佢都會入去睇下。D5 嘅 Tom the One。Tom the One 呢個睇牌嘅個頭像咧，可能係佢年輕嘅時候嘅相嚟嘅，但係咧依家上咗年紀都真係人面桃花相映紅咩？人面不知何處去啦，已經係咪？樣已經變咗好多咯，已經係好憔悴嘅大叔樣啦，冇咗。從面相上邊嚟睇，冇咗當年嘅靈性啊！打牌最近好似都贏唔少㗎。Tom the One 手氣都唔錯㗎，技術應該都仲在線嘅。呢手牌攞住1對 A 嘅 Elton 爭咧，首先就開始 raise 到16000。call 住嘅黃葉呢幾手牌其實手氣都唔錯㗎，攞到嘅起手牌。都還可以，呢一對係 KJ 嘅，喺啲兩位 call 住咗嘅。咁 K4 巴 Aaron 要冒呢個風險咩？我就睇過，我係都要去睇翻牌㗎啦呢鑊。嗱，冇辦法啦 ，Tom the One 你走咁嘅 J5 係咪咁雜嘅牌 ？Victor 應該冇得搞㗎啦。係，果然係棄牌嘅，咁剩低3家睇咩 ？L 嘅話佢肯定係扮豬食老虎㗎啦呢鑊嘢，佢唔係扮豬食老虎啊，係老虎扮豬啊呢鑊嘢。呢手佢真係扮晒嘢㗎啦，呢手睇下點樣啊？加呢個咩意思啊 ？all in 喎，直頭 all in 又係唔信你邪㗎啦你。咁冇辦法啦 ，Aaron 呢手咁嘅牌 K4，雖然呢個同花，但係好雜啫喎。冇咗啦，K high 嘅牌冇辦法跟，呢手直接將你打死，冇玩啦。其實攞唔到咩大嘅價值喎，呢對牌咁大，確實係。最後都翻出嚟呢牌。但係點可能佢係急於攞到呢條魷魚咁嘅感覺咧？係咪對 A 嘅話，其實冇必要打得咁。 快㗎係咪？打得咁急咩係咪？冇必要啊！點樣諗嘅咧？
就為了讓你贏多一點。
睇下各位觀眾你睇下點樣？留低你嘅評論咧，你覺得佢點樣解咧？佢需要打到咁大嘅注咧？因為咁樣嘅話，好容易其實就攞唔到價值嘅。
可以看的嘛，我可以看的。
出於咩因素嘅考慮咧？留低你嘅諗法啦。如果你有興趣嚟討論一下嘅話，好睇下下一手牌啊！
對呀，就是
差唔多揾你手咁嘅7-5，其實好雜嘅牌嚟嘅，咁 call 住
你30萬我可能。
J9。黃葉呢啲牌又一手 J9嘅，正話先我有一手 J9，又係同花嘅紅心嘅同花，呢手又係方塊嘅83，唐老闆冇辦法搞 ，ST 同 J2都冇得搞，18諗下都冇得搞噶啦。咁 Tom to One 呢手就好尷尬啦，抌咗啦係咪 ？Tom to One 真係跟到底咩？7-5咁嘅牌，5、6、7、8、9都唔夠大喎。
He kicks it up, gets action from dirt.
呢個
Heads up.
牌 Tom to One 真係一展本色咩？係咪？哎，仲中咗張
Wang
哦
today.
弊家伙，黃葉嘅手氣真係太好啦嘛！
Flops a boat.
直接中咗一手俘虜啊！咁呢手牌已經無懈可擊噶啦喎，已經冇得打。哦，直接 fold 咗，一家住直接 fold 咗。好嘅手氣牌，佢真係即係點講咧？Tom to One跟入去，睇到情況唔對路，都好理性咁走咗啦，冇辦法搞啦，一
Smooth
張
900K.
都唔中，牌面翻牌對佢一啲有利嘅牌都冇。睇下下手牌18 Victor 跟入去4-2冇得搞 ，A6 落嚟就得諗一諗。氣牌6-2又冇得搞，唐老闆 K5冇得搞 ，J3又冇得搞 ，Q3應該亦都冇得搞。
沒事，這個。
拖住咗，但係又入嚟睇睇啦，個個都氣牌就氣咗咁多啦，係咪？要打翻啲乜嘢？佢一大盲位，佢係要入去噶啦。Q9咧，Q9亦都跟入去睇下先。正話先睇翻牌冇利係咪？再嚟睇到鑊先。咁到 Victor 跟翻上啦。Tom to One 呢度 Q9係直接 raise 咗出嚟噶 ，Q9 對住18，大家都等呢個順子咩？唔通？喂，呢個翻牌好具有迷惑性喎，雙方都係喺度聽
Players
牌噶
flopping
咯
a flush draw here. Dirt with the best of it.
但係咧稍微好啲啲。當到溫稍微好啲啲，好保守啦，好謹慎咁掟咗個籌碼啦，11000嘅，少少加注啦，睇多張先啦，係咪？冇咁打咁激進，好。對於 Victor 嚟講，亦都冇乜壓力跟落去。哎，呢手弊啦，
Dirt picks up a gutter, but
出咗張10
Victor
喎，
takes the
咁啊
lead.
冇再中啦。咁
Couple glances from Dirt.
Victor 係領先咗喎，咁呢鑊嘢麻煩啦，靠搏噶啦，呢下嘢就。你扮演下一個咩嘢角色咧？係咪？我手上 K high 嘅牌啦，咁係咪？
Bullet
嗱，
from
繼續
Blonde.
持續進攻32000，你只能有 K high 嘅啫，係咪 ？A high 都攞佢冇辦法，或者講喺度諗緊，我已經中咗一手同花啦。你係講緊一個咩故事咧？係咪？Tom to One喺度 call 住咗嘅，唔信邪嘅，係最後7
Dirt breaks out.
6、7、8、9，都乜都冇，弊家伙啦呢鑊嘢。嗱，點樣 bluff 咩？要點樣 bluff 得住咧？扮演一個咩嘢牌面咧？我有 K high 嘅牌，再進攻一次。呢個手進攻咧，可能要進攻，仲要落比較大嘅注先得喎。如果冇壓力嘅話，咁就冇乜意義啦。
Victor in a little bit of a predicament.
如果你要繼續玩落去，
Lots of glances from Dirt.
呢手其實好難打啊，諗到問題係點樣？
你是什麼？
睇佢點樣出招啦。好，攞出場碼啦，我計緊數㗎啦，依家10萬蚊嘅底池打幾多咧？
因為2、3、4、5他有贏嘛。
打個滿池咩
70% pot.
？2/3嘅池啦。
不是因為66你進去有可能贏 A 嘛。我知道。
呢手牌對 Victor 嚟講係有威脅㗎，壓力就嚟到佢身上啦。咁要點樣諗咧？呢手牌自己只係1對10，跟住
It's called. You
開
heard
住
it. You
咗，
win.
唉，呢手牌
250 headed over to Victor.
可以啊，真係呢
Nice
手牌
call.，
唉，
And things have turned around
壓力唔大啊，真係。
negatively for Tom Dwan.
Tom Dwan 好似話到咗水下咯喎，呢一手打落去之後，
三張成順，那個Puna
Now not so much.
Puna 天那個頂 set 花了90。
這手牌太難啦吧？牌面太差，bluff 空間唔係好夠啊。落注對於 Victor 嚟講咧，亦都唔係好大嘅壓力，嚟跟住16同花，要唔要開始啊？call 住咗
Down for
平開入去，
1,000,
1對6，
241K.
黃葉，不過黃葉啲手牌起手位真係好靚下喎。打幾多 ？Raise 到6000，
Sixes.
92 fold 咗 ，K9 fold 咗 ，K6 亦都要同花，不過有得諗下咩 K6啊？哇，出咗4張6
Let's
咯
see. You know he's a little spiced up.
喎，跟住咗 call 住 A3 會 call 住13冇得打，74冇得打啦，74 同
Victor in
花
there.
要入嚟咩？74同花入咗嚟喎。
Alton joins the fun. We're going 5 ways, 6K a pop.
74同花喺呢度好寬嘅範圍入咗嚟，落一盤咩大棋啊？睇下翻牌先啦，咁啊 KQ9
King Queen 9.
冇人中牌，
Only really ST flops a piece of this. But he can't particularly love this.
呢家呢手
Wreck the
牌真係
board.
咩事都有可能發生啦。ST 王一手頂對，目前喺度領先緊㗎啦。哦，走咗一家，
Take
而
it
家剩低
down.
乜嘢？黃葉一對，哦，亦都走埋。呢手可以啊，大家嘅牌都好難，就係得 ST 王中咗嘅啫，冇辦法跟，冇辦法做抵抗，輕鬆拿下啊！好，我哋睇下手牌，5-4都 call 住，5-4睇順面嘅 call 住啦。A4入嚟睇睇，6-4都有入嚟 ，K9又入嚟 ，A8入埋嚟啦。1對6 ，Tom Dwan 呢手，喂，6呢啲牌使得唔好亂咁喎啊！出嚟3張6喎，睇選手嘅牌面已經出咗嚟。Tom Dwan 呢手6要入嚟睇下啦，冇理由唔入㗎 ，raise 咗啦。
Send it.
Aaron 呢度啊，可以直接 all in 啊，嬲啊！
There's sixes.
真
Wants to
係
play
呢
for
呢
the
鑊嘢，
squeeze.
上一鑊俾你咁教法係咪先？呢鑊嬲啊！將你班人壓實喺搖籃中啊 ！Aaron 生唔信邪嘅 A8 係咪？呢鑊嘢可能計數先，要唔要跟上去 all in 喎？要唔要 all in 啊 ？Aaron 生睇計緊數喎，可能想 all in 喎。
Good spot for it.
128000蚊底池。
Up against the button
Aaron 點
range.
樣啊？
Maybe the button was ISOing light.
計數先，夠唔夠賠率
Pocket
啊？
pair.
再計多次啦，
Can't hate it.
116000
Now
蚊
the
啊！
question is, how often does Dur have something like this?
跟
Something
咗
like
喎。
pocket fives, ace
好
four. Calls.
，Tom
Let's flip.
Dwan 翻到好意外喎，你會跟嘅咁啊？
1.
開一次啫喎，
Play for the
啊，
pain.
只開一次。
到底谁唱我这个？感觉两个都有点尬。
还好吧。
哦喲，
So
4K
far, so
5
good
喎，
for Dur.
3，
Good turn card.
係好嘢喎。
Ace or an 8.
Tom the one， 唉，可以喎，又翻
Scoop
身。
it. 234. Headed over to seat 2. Tom Dwan needed that.
拿着先回去。
呢一手牌 Aaron 真係同佢補翻上嚟喎啲籌碼。呢手有啲托大喎 Aaron 張嚇。真係我唔信你有牌係咪先？以為你係一個情緒化嘅落注。哎呀，真係啱啱真係絕處逢生添。好，睇落下一手牌7-5，冇辦法就冇辦法跟。1對10胡鬚佬其實可以開池嘅，其實。Aaron 張呢對神秘牌喎 ，D9 嘅 Tom the one。
I don't
96
know what they're talking
Aaron
about,
冇
but
得
I
搞
want to
啊
try！it.
都入去睇咩 ？K8
Not that.
K8 黃葉嘅 K8 啊，
Bren limp the
咁
tens.
已經有
Nobody
5
big.
家喺度。
Ace 8 4.
A48 啊，
Does have Wang Yi with an 8 though.
中咗8。黃葉真係手牌非常之手牌好順喎，真係啊！經常都攞到好牌起手牌就。胡鬚佬呢對10依然係好堅挺嘅。轉牌嚟張
Three
3。
of clubs. Key
呢
card.
張
Wang Yi king
有
of
咩啦
clubs？in
又
hand.
聽牌啦，黃葉又聽牌又有一對，不如真係佢嘅，
多少不能踩魚啊？
哦真係運氣，嚟張雙4
Mix up
兩對咁啊，
他知道嗎？
兩家聽同花都冇中，
那就不要讓他知道了。
Checks
對
through.
10，
Tens
胡
are
鬚佬
good.
胡鬚佬鮮有出手啊，但一出手啊就攞低啊， good game 咁啊，好我哋先睇到呢度啦，下期再見，歡迎關注一下大魚頭，拜拜。